Hello fellow crafters and paper artisans, it's Chandra with Stocked and Stuff. I am here with another installment for my Christmas in July kit swap, and I am trying to use up all the paper I got, but I'm at the point now where I might say, did I use the 15 to 20 sheets? Because I'm running out of time, but I want to try to get as much done as I can. So I made this box. This was 2 sheets of gold paper and a sheet of silver. So I did like silver and gold, and then I used bling that she gave. The only thing I added was the Velcro. And there's the box inside, and these are pieces that she sent with the kit. And then what I decided to do was make some mini Slimlines. All right, so I did gold, and I had this paper in the bow, and then I put bling on the star, and then I lay it on the inside, and then I just used regular office envelopes, but I added just a strip of gold on there just to give it something and to use up more paper. And I think this is the last of my this garland, and then I put some bling on those little I actually did it here and I liked the way it looked, so I went back and added them to some of the others, added a strip of that there as well, and layered on the inside. And I think I have 1 sheet of this, I guess it's like a herringbone, so I used it up for the most part. I didn't layer inside, I need to go back and do that. And this was the rest of that bling. I did it edge to edge, and then I got a piece of the bling from the other set that she sent, just to kind of give it a finished look, and then I added to the envelope. And I do need to go back and do that. I don't know how I missed it. And then this is the last gold rosette. So I think there were 2. I did 1 on the box and 1 on this card with the star and a strip of the paper. The gold, this one was like a card stock of glittery paper. So, and then layer. So that's the next one, and then I did a strip on the front. All right, so 4 cards in a box, and I'm gonna finish this one, and then that's the next project. So we'll see what else we got coming. Thanks for watching.